Why are you in the favor of offline task?
Because we have experience that
Which kind of experience?
real life experience.
So is there any benefit?
Yeah, of course. Of course. By the offline task, we can be physically and mentally strong.
Yes.
We can physically or mentally strong
By the offline
by the
task,
offline task
because we have to
because
hard
we
work.
have to hard work and
go outside to take
That things
But our
That
so
is-
much time was waste. But when we do online work, our time was
Save.
Our time was saved.
we can save.
because online study
Understand?
because online study understand in students and children.
Yes, also.
ऑफलाइन बोल रहा है मैं आपको
Offline study is better than
Offline study is better than
online study.
online study
How can you say that?
because
You can see the condition of corona condition.
physically and mentally
But also in online study,
nothing.
works nothing. Most of the people having study by online like PW and
नेक्स्ट ओपन
NEET,
NEET and JEE other types.
etc. etc.
Because most of student study in offline tuitions.
But they didn't understand that, so they use online items like
Yes,
phone
most
and
of the
Google,
students-
use calculators on mobile.
Nothing because offline tuition is physically and mentally strong this is student and offline tuition is also best and children not understand this question so
Okay, let them chance to speak now.
because I didn't understand questions with teacher.
But teachers feel aggressive and
And they got angry
yeah,
and
that's
they
the
beat
point.
students.
Teachers not angry.
If you ask again and again, so they
They got angry.
but also students get experience to go out and hang out and but in online you sit on chair and just only video and
But when
Study.
they go outside, they got distracted. They're walking and wandering some.
how
they-
distracted like what kind
They
of
are playing games and they are hang wander there.
while coming and going, you watch new things. You do not concentrate on your study. Speak one by one. Yes.
Offline study have kidnapping risk of students, but online study and not kidnapping risk of children.
Yeah. Just reply him. Yes. TL.
Can you please repeat?
Yeah. Repeat again.
Offline study is risk of student kidnapping, but online study not kidnapping risk of children.
And they are safe.
They are safe in students.
It's a time of somehow that children is going and they somehow get kidnapped. It's not like every child is getting kidnapped every day and every night. Like if you see, you also go school right now, you do right. Physically, you are not getting kidnapped every day because you know the way of your school and the way to your house. So you are protected to yourself and you know how to self-defense for yourself. While as studying online, it's very distractive. We get distracted by the screen and we just don't want to look at it and just put on to study. Just want to skip the classes and we just want to play or see the reels.
but you see in this year board result there are 5 toppers all over India. They can study online. Next topper.
They can or they will or they did.
They all are. And
Like
they
you
all are
said,
belong to the
they are
online
all-
class.
there are 5 toppers who
All over
topped in,
India.
all over India who topped in boards, and the upcoming students can top from the online study. Who said that they will like it's upon them if they are studying online or if they are studying online. It's all up to them. But being studying in a physical state, offline state, you get connected with people and you get to know about others' opinion and get to know about more about and get to tell about your opinions to them too.
Study offline, they get bad habits.
But
But when they do study online and they are in home, they don't get bad habits because they are don't anyone bad person here.
Can you
There.
please tell me how
What
they
kind
bad
of-
habit?
what kind of bad habits?
Like smoking and bad, like abusing and etc.
Yeah, most of the bad things given by the offline friends.
But online study children to a level.
Repeat again.
But with the help of online studies, also the children also get influenced by the bad videos, and your mind also divert, and you cannot study. You can see bad things like reels, and you cannot study properly.
But no problem of online class, but problem of students is mind distract on student. But mostly students are focus on study online.
And they do better
They
study.
do better study.
Comparing than offline.
So this is not the problem of the offline studies also, that the students catch the bad things.
There are many distraction comparing than online studies. Like friends.
But in online class, you also may connecting to the friends and start
But
chatting.
there are limited connection. Teacher will off chats.
Student study online through limited.
No, it's nothing. They have record the video and they study anytime, 24 and 7 hours.
Nothing. But student seen reels, and
Videos,
other
web series.
web series playing games like Free Fire and etc.
But that's doing free time, not every time.
Nothing. So my society children
Always
always
keep on playing.
keep on playing games.
But they are different between children and teenagers and adults. Children are playing game and adults and teenagers are study online.
If you
Okay.
got online shopping, so you have much fatty and laziness.
Yes. You become lazy and fatty because of online shopping. Is there? Reply her.
Let her chance.
And also some scams also.
Scam also done with the online shopping. And online shopping is a very bad
Yes.
comparison of offline shopping.
And online
If you talk,
payments in other
now,
But offline studies, there are so many fighting cases. There are the people so distracted by the others.
the
Real-
mistake of their
yes.
children.
Okay, let her chance. Let her chance.
Can you please repeat again? Just one word.
Yeah.
One word.
In the offline studies, there are the so many cases like the fighting and distracted by the auto voices.
They get to personal experience how fight is really how fight is really done, and they get to know how to defend themselves.
So they should be go to another place.
It's there, but offline world is everywhere. You can fight here, you can fight at your home, you can fight at your school place.
So means, but they are that distracted. They cannot be studying.
See, if they are fighting after school, like school time is over, study is over, for a 5-minute break they can fight. Then why not?
But if there are also so many sound created by the outer of the class.
Song or sound?
Yeah. I want
How? Like how?
like the why another classes.
It's a human nature, bro.